Hi, I'm Stephanie Dang, and I'll be sharing a layout featuring the embellishment kits and the main kit. I started my layout with these lovely city die cuts, and then I started to embellish my page already without any photos. I typically have my photos already handy in my hands, but this time I'm doing things a little differently. And that's why I'm not really gluing anything down too much. That way it'll leave me room to move my photos around or trim or do whatever to my layout so that everything will fit nicely on the page. So I finally have my picture ready to go, and I chose a photo that's pretty large. So now I'm going to start to embellish with smaller embellishments and flares to finish off this page. Around and seeing which color I'm missing around my page so that my page would just flow nicely together. So for example, a little orange here, there, and if it's missing a little orange down below, then I'll add like orange down there too. I'm adding a few last pieces and I'm done with my page. I hope you like my layout and will give it a try. Have a wonderful, blessed week, everyone.